Hi, this is Jim. Here's a short demonstration of working with Final Cut Pro remote access or from a remote access workstation. So I'm sitting on my Mac Mini here at home and I've got my Final Cut Pro open, but I'll go over to my FastTracker where I'll log in with my public domain or my public IP address that I've set up. And password is entered. I'll come in here and I'll make sure I select my correct catalog, which is Friday Edit. It happens to be Friday, and so I'm going to start editing these clips here. I see these are all in blue status, which in the blue status means that they are all accessible on a volume that can be mounted. So from here, all I have to do is select Mount, and it automatically mounts the volume to the desktop that I need, which is my Brandstar volume. Now, I'm on a WANLink client, so I'm nowhere near the office, but I'm accessing this volume on a public IP address. You can see here, if I go to my client console, that's mounted here over my public IP. I can also mount any other volume I want to the desktop as well, and those will show up here as well over that same public IP or whatever public IP address I'm using to get access to servers that are outside of my location. So with these active here, I just know I'm going to need these files here for this project, so I'm going to select a few here and I'm going to drag them over to my Final Cut Pro. I'm just going to bring them into the import media. That's going to go ahead and bring those files in. And now these are ready to go. So these are brand new files that I just imported from the volume that's been mounted over the remote access, just over the internet. And I'll go in here and bring these in, and I'll start playing these down. Looks pretty good. Now you saw there I was able to move in and out of FastTracker and into Final Cut Pro just by switching views here. So if there's another clip that I need and I want to go back to my Final Cut Pro for that, my FastTracker for that, I can just grab this and do the same thing and just move back over to Final Cut Pro and slide it right in the timeline. So you see how easy it is to edit from home using files and video that's on your server at the facility using FastTracker Remote and WANLink Client.